Hi, I'm Stijn. Welcome to Todo. Today I'll be showing you how to make molletes. Molletes are an open-faced breakfast sandwich and that are perfect to get rid of some stuff that's in your kitchen. Let's get started. First of all, you're going to start with preheating your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our bread, we're going to slice it open. You can do this sideways, you can just slice it open. In Mexico, what you would use is a bolillo, but I'm using a baguette because this is what I have here. I'm living in Belgium. I don't have access to all typical Mexican foods, but you can always make do. What you need basically is a nice crusty bread that's fluffy on the inside. I just slice them open like this. So once you've got your sliced bread in front of you, it's actually really easy. What you can do is you can spread some manteca, which is lard, on it, or some butter. I'm not going to do this because there's already some lard in my beans. I've got some refried beans left over from yesterday, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to spread some beans over the bread. Well, it sure looks like I have the perfect bean to bread ratio. The next thing we're going to do is I've got some mozzarella cheese grated. In Mexico, you would use quesillo or queso Oaxaca. I'm living in Belgium. It's not easy to come by. So this is a challenge to all cheesemakers out there. Make me some really good queso Oaxaca. But basically, you just top bread with cheese. As much as you like, as little as you like, your choice really. Next up, into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until all the cheese is nicely melted. To top these molletes when they come out of the oven, what you can do is you can top it with some chorizo, you can top it with an easy pico de gallo, and that's what I'm going to do and show you right now. For pico de gallo, you don't need that much. Tomato, onion, jalapeno, cilantro, salt. That's all you need. You make sure everything is diced really finely, mix it together, listo. If you think the onion is a little bit too bright and too oniony in flavor, one of the things you can do is just rinse it under cold running water or in a bowl with ice water. That's gonna really temper the intense flavor of the onion. Next up, jalapeno. Cut off the stem. If you want it spicy, leave the seeds, the seed pod and the veins in. If you don't, just take it out. I'm opting to take the seed pods out because I know my girlfriend is not the biggest fan of heat. Last but not least, some fresh cilantro. Don't bother taking the leaves off the stems because there's a ton of flavor in those stems as well. Just chuck it in. Flavor with salt and give it a good stir. Optionally, you could put some lime juice in here, but I think right now, for this molletes, this is perfect. I mean, look at that. Careful, because these are hot, but just ladle some pico de gallo over it, and breakfast is ready. Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe, please leave a comment and share these videos, and go to www.todo.be to find more Mexican recipes. Adios.